Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Wake Up to Makeup by Nicole. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications, that way you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'm going to start off by putting some tape on the end of my eyelid. Then I'm going to use the palette Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature. I'm using my brush M53. I started off with the eyeshadow on the crease of my eyelid. You want to make sure to blend. I'm going to go in with my other Morphe palette and use the shade, that orange color. I'm blending it in my crease as well. Now I'm going to go in with the yellow color. And I'm going in with my brush M139. Start off in the crease as well. Blending it in, and then I go on the top of my crease. Now I'm going to go in with that red on my eyelid. From the inner lid to the outer lid. Gonna go in with that dark brown color on the outer lid. Then I'm going to go in with my number 6 BH Cosmetics brush with the warm beige concealer. On my eyelid, I'm going to be placing the concealer. That way when I go back with the red, it'll give you that pop, that color that you're going for. It makes the eyeshadow stand out. I'm going to go back in with the red from the Morphe palette. You can just tell the difference from the first time whenever I applied the red eyeshadow. It gets brighter. Depending on how bright you want it, that's how much eyeshadow you're gonna keep on applying to your eyelid. Now I'm going to go on with my Maybelline liquid eyeliner. Now I'm removing the tape from the I'm going in with my makeup wipe to wipe off all the fallings that came down from my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX Zodiac Queen is the color of this glitter. I'm doing it on the, not exactly on the crease of my eyelid, but a little above it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my primer. The brand is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Sure, I get it real good all over my face. Leaves my skin feeling smooth. Then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Caramel. Is the shade I use for my foundation on my face. I like to wet my beauty blender because it just makes it so much easier whenever I am applying this product on my face. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer, Warm Beige. I like to apply it under my eye, on my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. I'm using the same beauty blender. Now I'm going to be applying the air spun and the color Naturally Neutral. I'm going to go in with my Morphe brush and blend it into my skin. Now I'm going to go back in with my Morphe palette and apply that eyeshadow on the inner corner. Then I'm going to go back with that yellow color and place it on the lower line of my lash line. Now I'm curling my eyelashes. That way they will blend in with my falsies whenever I apply them. The mascara I'm using is High Sky by Maybelline as well. I'm going to make sure to blend that in a little bit. Going in with my Fenty Beauty and the shade Coco Naughty. I'm going to rub that bronzer on my cheekbones, on the top of my forehead. And I'm going in with my Morphe brush to go ahead and contour my nose as well with the same Coco Naughty shade. And with that brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend it in. That way that the lines don't look so sharp. Now I'm going to use my Kylie blush, Close to Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and spray my Prep and Prime on my face. Now I'm going to put some highlight, and the name is Quintana Roo. It's the Tulum palette by BH Cosmetics. That highlight's popping though, huh? I love it. Gonna go ahead and with my makeup wipe and wipe off my lip from any foundation that might have gotten on my lips. Now I'm going in with my brown lip liner. outline my lips. Now I'm going in with my BFF lip gloss in the color Juicy. And now it's time to apply some eyelashes. My personal opinion, the falsies is what gives you that look. Okay guys, that's all for this look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Like I said, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, that way you can be notified every time I post a new video. And once again, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.